hit it all on me. Boyfriend trippy, you can call on me. I'ma shoot it with the fuck if you talking that beef. Got the X600 with the basketball seats. $100,000 nigga and I got it out the streets. Yeah. The more these niggas sidekick, lights got a pip. I pull up in that what the fuck is that boy with me?
Pull up in that what the fuck?
Dropping draws just like a bra, so bitch, so big now.